Hey, tonight's dinner is barbecue oyster mushroom sandwiches. They are sweet, smoky, and finger-licking good. Let's get to it. First, take your cleaned and sliced mushrooms and shred them with 2 forks till they resemble shredded chicken. Then, place them in a baking pan and put them in the air fryer on 425 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps them to dry out. Next, you're going to take a half of a medium onion and cut it up into small pieces. Then you're going to add some oil to your already heated pan. Let the oil begin to simmer, then add the onions. Stir them occasionally until they are tender, about 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Now it's time to make the slaw. Grab a bowl and add the cabbage mix, vegan mayo, sugar, pink Himalayan salt, ground black pepper, and some apple cider vinegar. You're going to mix everything up until it's all well blended. Then you're going to set it aside. Now take your mushrooms out of the air fryer and add them to the pan with the onions. Give them a little stir, then you're going to add your seasonings. We'll be adding some garlic powder, brown black pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, and to get that nice smoky flavor, some liquid smoke. Now, grab your barbecue sauce and add it to the pan with the mushrooms. Stir it and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so, stirring it occasionally. Then you can cover it with the lid to keep it warm. Now it's time to prepare the buns. You're going to butter the inside of both halves. Then place them under the broiler for a few seconds just to give them a nice little toast. Now place the buns on a plate. Take some of the mushrooms and put them on the top of the bottom bun. Then take a nice scoop of that slaw you just made and place it on top of the mushrooms. Then take your top bun, place it on top, and add some pickles, and they are ready to go. These can be a great addition to your normal cookout menu as well. I hope you enjoy them and see you next time.